You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, this word expression, let's say, used in ballet dancing, from French, literally meaning the step of the cat or the cat's step. French pronunciation is as pas de chat, pas, which is French for a step with a silent S, pas de chat. Pas de chat in English, pas de chat with silent S and a silent T. Not pas de chat, no, pas de chat from French, pas de chat. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.